I'm installing these Lexin Q3 5.1 Bluetooth speakers on my 2019 Heritage 114. This is not a comprehensive video. I just wanted to give you a tip on how to run the wire to the power without removing your tank. As you can see, I've got the speakers connected here. Main speaker, slave speaker. And you can see where I've run the wires through this port between the fork risers. I've got the slave connected behind the riser, then coming back around, then down, where I connected both of the speakers and the antenna. Anyway, this power wire is my main consideration. So instead of removing the tank to run this all the way back to the battery, I've just run a small fish tape. And this is a very thin line that's run right up beside everything else under the tank. Then I just shoved it in and started poking around until it exited here. Yours may exit in another area, but it's pretty wide open up here. So all I'm going to do is take the fish tape, connect my power wire with tape. Then when I pull it through, it's going to pull the wire through and allow me to connect to the battery, which of course on a Heritage, you've got to take off the side cover. Then you can remove the battery after removing a couple of other clips and covers. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. But this is the easiest way to run these lines without removing the tank. And I did this for LED lights that I put on here as well. Good luck to you.